Ethereum is the biggest chain for a reason, and if you are building a project in Ethereum, this is the tutorial. You need to create your own ERC-20 token in just a few seconds with the best method available. Let's go directly to the process. So I've written this whole guide on how to create your own ERC-20 token, how it works, etc. If you want technical details, this is for you. You will have it in the description. But here we are going directly to the interesting stuff, how to create your own token in just a few seconds. For doing that, we are going to use Smithii Tools, the token creator for Ethereum. And as you can see, this is it. You have a few inputs to use. You have some advanced options that you can use. And you will have the token in the click of a button. First of all, you need to connect your wallet and start filling the information of your token. First of all, the name, I will use Mixer, the symbol Mixer. The supply, I would recommend you to use at least 1 billion, 10 billion, it depends on your tokenomics and so on. I have a video here on how to create your own tokenomics in case you want it, but in this case I will use 1 billion. There we go. We can add a tax if we want to, a tax per transaction, which means each time anyone makes a transaction, that fee you set here, that percentage you set here, will go to the wallet you set here. Actually, I wouldn't recommend you to do this because people is used to meme coins in Solana and so on, and now most people don't like it at all. We continue. We have here the option of doing a multiple wallet distribution. This basically is a feature where you can create the supply and distribute it directly to several wallets in case you have, for example, a wallet for the treasury, a wallet for the team, a wallet for marketing, etc. You can do that directly here and split it automatically. We are not going to do that. We can also add here a DEX Tools socials and banners. DEX Tools is one of the most used terminals for trading tokens in Ethereum. So if you want to highlight even more your token, so it shows your social media, your website, and a cool banner, you can do that directly here. You just click this toggle and fill the information. We won't do that in this example because it's just a random token. And then we can add a few token features. In this case, we can add anti-bot, anti-whale, and airdrop mode. The anti-bot prevents bots from trading your token by limiting to one trade per block. This means that usually bots trade several times in a block, so you avoid them by doing this, by using this feature. Then anti-whale allows you to set limit while trading your token. What basically it does is that you can set your own limit so you can avoid whales to manipulate your token and so on, setting a limit per trade, basically the maximum amount that anyone can buy or sell of your token in a single trade. A time limit per trade, this means that you can set how often someone can buy or sell your token. The total limit per wallet, which is basically how much a single wallet can hold of your token. And then the active period of this anti-whale in case you want it to be disavowed in a few days. You can also disavow it manually with another tool I will show you later. And finally, we got the airdrop mode that basically is cool when you are going to make an airdrop campaign. You can disable people to send, trade, or make anything with your token. It will be frozen if it will be frozen in the wallet of the user. You can also disavow this later. So once we select all our options and we fill all the information, we just need to click on create token. It will open the transaction in our wallet. Here we go. The fee is only 0.01 Ethereum. We also need to pay the fee of the chain for sure. We confirm and we will have our token in just a few seconds. As you can see, we just confirm the transaction and transaction successfully proceeded. We got our token. This is our token address. We can check the transaction on Etherscan. Here we open Mixer, and this is the token we were creating. Mixer, here we have all the information. The contract is verified by default. This is really important if you want to attract people to buy it. It should be verified. It shows similar match code sold, which is perfectly fine because it means that it's a legit token. And then one important thing to make your token look even more legit is adding your social and image to your token. You can do that here by clicking update token info. If you want a full tutorial on how to do so, here you have it, and you will have another writing tutorial in the description as well. Before finishing the video, let me show you real quick how you can manage your token and change the settings, enabling or disabling them in case you need that. You got the manage token settings. Here you just need to select your token, and here you can blacklist addresses, add the text tool, social and banner that we had before. We also have the option of the manage anti-bot. We can enable or disable anti-bot, and manage anti-whale, enable or disable the anti-whale. Same process, you just select here and you set the different things you want for your token. As you can see, creating your own ERC-20 token shouldn't be that difficult. This is the best process and the best way to do it right now. Let me know if you have any doubt or if you want any other tutorial on how to do different things in Ethereum. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.